About one of those stocks in focus, Wockhardt, which is in focus because it is up around 18% The news behind Wockhardt is that the US FDA has accepted Wockhardt's new drug application for the antibiotic Zaynich. Now, the new drug application was originally filed on September 30th, 2025. Zaynich has now been granted fast-track designation by the US FDA, which means that they've assigned priority to Zaynich for the NDA review. And the drug has has already been used in the US and India under compassionate basis on critically ill patients. The program was initiated by Wockhardt all the way back in 2011, so it's finally taken so many years to get here. Now, the company has earlier indicated with regards to this particular Zaynich antibiotic, which is under development, that the drug being manufactured will be by a third party in Europe. So hence, there will be no sort of trade issues because, earlier there was fears of 100% tariff or, a tariff if in case you do not have a manufacturing presence in the US. Now, the peak revenue will be significant. They could see revenue of around 150 crores from Zaynich in India. And like I mentioned, they've said that it's saved at least 51 lives in the past 1.5 years with this drug. Zaynich's market size, according to the management, based on the antibiotic market in the world, could be around $9 billion globally. They could consider some partners in with regards to out-licensing when it comes to this drug. Now, what exactly are the analysts saying? The market size of Zaynich, according to them, is around $1.5 billion globally. Wockhardt will be a patent holder for Zaynich in the US eventually, if in case it does obviously get approval. They think Zaynich can probably even be around a $500 million product for Wockhardt, and there is a 95% chance for Wockhardt to receive approval for Zaynich in the US based on their phase 3 data. Now, other companies with some association with NCEs was Glenmark, which out-licensed its ISB 2001 for oncology as well as autoimmune diseases to AbbVie. And we have Orchid Pharma also, where there was a particular drug which was discovered and innovated by Orchid Pharma, but it was eventually out-licensed to Allecra Therapeutics. So all in all, I think this will be the first instance of an Indian company applying in the US and, getting approval when it comes to an NCE, or rather at least being accepted for a new drug application for it.
So post that, you've mentioned, you've broken it down very clearly for us, almost $150 billion opportunity is what you've mentioned. So clearly the street taking this positively, higher by over 18%. Well, with that, we'll now slip into a short break. We'll get you more on the markets, stock-specific action on the other side. Stay tuned.
They're both failed entrepreneurs. So